Welcome to Makina Moto Features. Recently, nag-launch na naman po ang Yamaha Motor Philippines ng latest automatic nila. This is the Yamaha Lexi. Ang makina ng Yamaha Lexi ay liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single overhead cam with 4 valves. Single cylinder po tayo with a displacement of 155 cm. Horsepower natin ay 11.3 kilowatts or 15.1 HP with 14.2 Newton meters of torque. So as you see, hindi urgent yung alis niya. And if you want more power, Yamaha pa. Ang daming aftermarket na pampakarga dito sa makina na ito. Ride natin, tulad ng pakiramdam ko sa NMAX, komportable talaga siya. Yung tono ng suspension in partnership dun sa upuan niya, pwede itong pangmalayuan. You are all I need. You're all It is the all-new Yamaha Lexi 155. Kung napansin nyo, medyo matagal-tagal na tayo hindi nakapagsubok ng Yamaha dito sa makina. And I'm quite grateful na ito na nga, especially this one. Nung ito yung lumabas, sabi ko, yan ang gusto ko subukan, Yamaha Lexi 155. So, if I were to place this sa buong lineup ng Yamaha, I'd place this in between an NMAX and an Aerox sa pakiramdam. Obviously, 155 siya. So, hindi siya yung 125 series sila. It's just more beefy in that sense. So, nandun siya sa linya ng NMAX and linya ng Aerox, pero dun nga, nasa gitna siya. Familiar yung upo niya di ba? Pati yung lapat ng upuan niya, yung kapal for my ass at least. The Yamaha Lexi has 2 color variants at this point. Black, which is what we have right now, tapos meron din silang matte green. If there's a wish list na in the future variants ng Lexi, sana magkaroon tayo ng mas marami pang colors. I wanna see a lot of whites. Meron yung white-red combination na Yamaha, napakaganda rin yung combination na yun. Yung Yamaha yellow and black combination, I think would also look good with this one. So let's take a closer look. So sa likod naman, drum brakes tayo. So dito naman ako ngangaw-ngaw. Gets ko naman yung cost. Sana yung likod, kung hindi pa kaya lagyan ng ABS harap likod, sana ito, i-disc na natin. Nevertheless, at this price range, I'm hard-pressed to complain. With our tire brand, IRC po ang nilagay nila. Pretty good brand. We're looking at 14s para sa ating mga gulong harap likod din. Pag nasa 14s naman tayo, okay din yung stability natin for a scooter. So, goods tayo dyan at 14s. With the quality of our plastics dito sa area natin na ito, I would say mas lamang si NMAX in that regard. I would say this would be on the regular side of things. Hindi naman siya cheap, pero hindi rin siya super high, and it's just right. Medyo gitna lang siya. Pretty straight up ang ating controls, as you can see. Kung meron akong choice, papalitan ko yung ating grips. Medyo malagkit naman siya, pero meron akong hinahanap na iba for the styling. We have a stop-and-go system here, so mas nakakatipid pa tayo sa gasolina. Pag hindi ka umaandar, automatic mamamatay siya. The levers, I think also, again, we're at 99,900, pero sa mga mahilig mag-mods, ito rin, pwede rin natin to i-modify, maglagay tayo ng mga aftermarket, pwede rin. But it does its job, of course. Pagdating naman sa ating mukha, dito naman ako poging-pogi sa Lexi. Yung ating headlight dito, yung ating signal or blinker lights, okay din siya. Although sana LED na siya, di ba? However, regular bulb na yung ating turn signals, pero dito naman, tignan mo yung ating day running lights. Let's fire it up. Medyo tanghaling tapat na tayo dito. I don't know if you can see it though. But with the naked eye, maliwanag naman siya. Ganda. Signal lights. There. Siyempre, blue core. Kusina. Tahimik ang ating engine. And that's our tail light as well. So, for our compartment over here, just for perspective, ito po ay isang Samsung Galaxy S26 with a power bank. Not that deep, pero pwede na rin. Meron tayong USB port dito, which is great. And I appreciate na meron tayong cover na seems to be tight to keep it protected. At nasa ilalim po siya dito so hindi siya prone sa basaan. I would have probably preferred kung talagang tagun-tago pa siya dito para talagang hindi ko na iniisip sa mga talsik-talsik. Pero yung iba nga, nasa exposed talaga. At least dito na meron tayong silong dito kahit paano. So for our gauge, anda rin po natin. Yan, classic Yamaha startup. Boom. So interestingly enough, yung gauge niya actually maliit. Pero flushed siya sa loob. So, this makes it easier for us to see it in the daytime kasi nga hindi siya yung mas malapit na mas exposed sa makikipagbanggaan sa ilaw ng araw. Ito mas flushed sa loob so mas makikita mo siya actually. Smaller pero stylish naman siya kasi malaki yung ating window dito. Yung iba 'di ba kasi lapat na lapat malapit sa dito sa cover. Ito nasa loob if you can see it. So it's pretty straight up. You got your usual, you got your clock, your fuel gauge, you got your speedometer as well, tapos yung mga signals mo dito. Pretty straight up. Utilitarian siya. Salamin natin, ito medyo, papalitan ko to. Aftermarket. I'll probably change just the upholstery, pero I'd probably still retain the foam seat kasi gustong-gusto ko yung upuan niya, napaka-komportable. Even for the pillion, kung angkasan tayo, marami tayong foam dyan para sa iyong partner. And of course, for you. Open it up. Gasolinahan, straight up. Ito yung ating U-box. Chinelas check. Actually, graduate tayo sa chinelas. Sandals tayo ngayon na size 11. Max! So, that's what you get. That's how deep it is. Yan. Can this fit a full face? Nope. Mga half face. Yan, pwede. Dito sa ating swim arm, type na type ko yung ginawa nila dyan. Step peg quality for the pillion. It's all right. Overall, I mean, it's hard to fault this because nga yung presyo na. I mean, you're getting a 155 engine at a below 100,000 offering. Sobrang, pasok to Kasi, especially sa mga mahilig magkalkal, gusto nyo talagang i-soup up ito. Marami kayong leg room dahil mura mo siya makukuha kung gusto mo talaga siyang imbod ng todo-todo. Diba?
Ang presyo ng Yamaha Lexi ay nasa 99,900 and it is available in matte green. Now between the two variants, mas gusto ko yung matte green, mas bet ko yun. Ang nakakatuwa dito ay meron tayong isang Yamaha na motor na 155cc yung makina na below 100k. Yan yung compelling sa Yamaha Lexi. Tas ang dami pang pwedeng i-mod. Yamaha Lots of room to customize at pwede mo to kargahan ng todo-todo. Now, if I may suggest to Yamaha, I think more color variants would be really good. And syempre, ABS harap-likod para kompleto na talaga. Apart from that, the Yamaha Lexi is another bang for buck, sulit for the displacement engine from Yamaha. And definitely kung naghahanap ka ng bagong motor this year na ganyan yung displacement, ganyan yung motor, below 100k, the Yamaha Lexi should be a top consideration for you. This is Zach for Makina Moto Features. Ciao!